The law of custody, divorce, and distribution of marital assets has become so very, very complex that it's almost impossible for a general practitioner to keep up with the new changes. New provisions of the law are changed on a monthly or annual basis. There are new cases that are decided that affect the practice of a matrimonial law. Recently, the law was changed with respect to the statute of limitations for prenuptial agreements. If you had a prenuptial agreement signed and you lived in the marriage for 6 years, if you didn't bring an action within the 6 years, you were barred by the statute of limitations. 2 weeks ago, the governor of New York signed into law a provision that told the statute of limitations where it's no longer a bar, and that if you bring an action to set aside a prenuptial agreement on the ground of fraud, unjust enrichment, inequality, unfairness, you can still do so as long as the action is commenced within 3 years of your separation from your spouse. So the 6-year statute is out the window now. This and many other new changes affect the practice on a daily basis, and unless you're familiar with the changes in the law, or you're familiar with the new cases that come down and the nuances with respect to an interpretation of a statute or a case, you're really not getting proper representation. So it's really singularly important to obtain a lawyer in this field that has the professional credentials to satisfy you that you're getting the best representation possible.